Hi guys, so this is 2011 Elantra or 2012 Elantra, and this car is an accident car, and after working on the accident it's not starting. So let's check. Let's try and spark and see. As you can see, the car is not starting. And so let's diagnose it. So let's wait for the system to load. We are scanning. Let's scan the system. What system? Let's enter the engine side. So now the throttle position sensor is not working, and the crankshaft sensor is not working, and the exhaust camshaft position sensor is not working. So let's try and clear the code. So let's crank. And scan, read the code again. Because the camshaft for the sensor is not working. And the fuse, all the fuses are okay. And in case you don't know where the sensor, the crank sensor is located, you want to know where the crank sensor is located. Is it under the manifold? This is the manifold, and it's under the manifold. So I'm going to remove the crank sensor and replace it and check. And as you can see, there is a little crack on the throttle, and I will have to replace the throttle too, because maybe the accident has affected the throttle, so we need to replace it. So this is the sensor. Okay, so the sensor is located. This is the sensor. This is the wire. So this is the sensor. You see, this is the sensor. So you need to remove it. This is the wire. This is the socket. And the sensor. So you have cleaned the sensor, so we need to fix and try and see. So this is one of the sensors, so we are going to replace it and see. So we have replaced the crank sensor, and still the car is not starting, so we decided to check the ECU. the ECU, as you can see. There's water damage. So this is the problem. So we are going to remove the ECU and clean it and try. One of the pins is broken, so let's try and clean. So this is the ECU. As you can see, one of the pins is broken. You see that? So we have tried wash the ECU, but still it's not working. It's not working, so we are replacing it with this one. This is the new ECU, so we are going to fix this and check. I need to remove the so I'm fixing to the bracket. Let's try the new ECU and check and see. Let's start. Okay, now the check light is on. Let's start. Wow. So now the car has started. So next time your engine is not responding, make sure you check the ECU too. Could be the cause to the ECU. Yeah, this was the problem that caused the water damage. So I need to replace the socket in this one. As you can see.